And now we have news coming in about the Luthra brothers. Goa police team is likely to land in Goa along with deported and arrested accused Saurabh Luthra and Gaurav Luthra around 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. Remember, these brothers fled in the wee hours after the tragedy and now they are likely to land in Goa tomorrow around 11 a.m. They landed in Delhi today and now we see that they will be taken to Goa around 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. These are the same brothers responsible for the Goa tragedy that claimed 25 lives. For more on that, we have Nalini joining us. Nalini, now we're seeing that the Luthra brothers, Saurabh Luthra and Gaurav Luthra, will land in Goa 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. What can we expect after that?
Well, Jessica, as we know, 2 days transit remand has essentially been granted to the Goa police, which means that they have a total of 2 days before which they have to produce both the Luthra brothers before a court in Goa. We are given to understand that they'll be produced before the Mapusa court in Goa, but that's going to happen most likely only day after tomorrow, because tomorrow is when the entire investigation team of the Goa police that has been in Delhi, that has been camping in Delhi to ensure that they can safely get the transit remand from the Patiala House Court and then also take the Luthra brothers to Goa. They will be traveling with them tomorrow morning. We are given to understand that they're going to reach Goa, and after the formalities are completed there is when they will be produced before the Mapusa court, where they are officially going to ask for the custodial remand of the two brothers and where the investigation is likely to finally begin, because that is where the crime scene is, that is where the place of occurrence is, which is why the Luthra brothers are also likely to be taken back to the crime spot to recreate what had happened on that fateful night when 25 people had lost their lives. So that's when the investigation will go on, and after that we have to wait and see first how many days remand is granted of the Luthra brothers to the Goa police to hold their custodial interrogation, and after that how the matter proceeds, whether there'll be continued police custody for these two brothers, whether they'll be applying for bail, or whether they'll be finally sent to judicial custody. So all of these are developments that are expected in the coming days.
Right, major developments expected in the further days, likely to be taken back to the crime scene, where after which the investigation will begin. Thank you so much for joining in, Nalini.